Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we're in Larnaca and we fancy a kebab. So why not go to Yiannis's Kebab shop? Look at this. Takeaway, delivery and eat indoors. Well, we're going to eat indoors. It's a good idea. And I've got my video camera with me. So we'll see what Yiannis's Kebabs like here in Larnaca. Oh, might as well get the number as well while we're here. So that's 99078 661 or 99078 668. Alright, let's go and have a look. I fancy a kebab, funny enough. Let's go and have a look. So we've got salads. Oh, very reasonable. €9 for the large village salad. Starters, you can have Cyprus sausage, €3.50. Tzatziki, or offensive bit tzatziki, or tarama salata, €2 each. Extra pita breads, just 50 cents. French fries are just €4. I want my kebab in the pita bread and looks very reasonably priced. I'm going to go for pork kebab today, and that is €9.50 for a big one, €8 for a small one. We've got grilled portions, pork kebab, €10, that's on the plate. That comes with French fries and pita bread. Additional bits. Right, so Cyprus platters. Oh, this is a good idea. Just €38 for 2 people. Very good value for money. Vegetarian mixed grill, just €16. Soft drinks are just €2, and a slow beer is €3.50. Oh,
that's good value, isn't it?
That's €2.50 for that great big pot, and you get pita bread, and you get garlic toasty Cypriot bread. That's really good value for money. What's that?
Sakunaki.
What's that mean?
You never had it?
I don't know what it means.
Try it.
Halloumi.
But it is so
George,
good.
try it.
It's better.
Try it.
Some, it's lovely.
Try it. If you've never tried it, try it.
And I know what that is. That is amazing. That's a proper Cypriot dish.
Right, but try this. If you've
This
never
is-
tried saganagi, try it.
This is
so good.
fried egg, isn't it, with vegetables?
Chips.
Yeah.
Oh, you went for the halloumi as well.
I did, yes.
I didn't realise. So lovely
The-
fresh salad. Well, it looks delish. I hope mine's just as delish. So halloumi, lovely salad. Have you seen the salad? Look how fresh it looks.
Beautiful.
Delish. Lovely pork kebab you got there. That looks triple delish. So that one's on the plate. I think that was just €10.
I can't remember.
Yeah, really good value. Calamari, look at the size of that calamari. That looks amazingly delish, doesn't it? Wow. Oh, large portion of chips. Proper
They're
Cypriot.
lovely chips.
Are they? They're proper Cypriot potato chips.
And Grant was saying the other day you should put lemon all over it.
Definitely, lemon over everything. Oh, we've got pudding. What is it?
It's sweet with covered in honey.
It's like a pancake covered in honey. Yeah, it's more of a pastry.
Okay.
Flat pastry. Lovely restaurant. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at the jugs. Now, that's quite a modern one, but that's an original one. Original old jug. I think that's probably about 80 years old. Oh, 1 minute. Get the genie. Make a wish. Lovely restaurant. Well, guys, fancy kebab? Definitely. Triple delish. Yiannis Kebabs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go,
Put it in the comments below.
thank you.